Papa Jesus. Them say when it rain, it pours. Jesus, peace. Jamaica has suffered from drought. And right now, if rain fall, all the farmer them ball out. Too much rain. My crop a wash out. Because what? When it rains, it pour. No cure the time dry. Anytime it rains, it pour. Jesus, peace. Tina, hey, Lord Jesus, what you call on for yourself? But a long time you call on this, Tina. But you say true, you drive the nail, you take the nail out of the whole house, them for how long, and you still sit down and eat them a draw, nail, it now tumble down upon you. You just feel like say it never did go tumble down one day, T-girl. Lord have mercy, T-girl. This coming like the whole house finally tumble down upon you, T-girl. People, last night I got on my bed without appetite of doing any social media. And my wife said to me, say, no social media today. And I try. She said, no social media tonight. After just do no social media. I wake up this morning, people. And I said, me I go do one video. Wifey say, no video tonight. So it's like me never have no appetite to do no video. Cause wifey just dung in me. You know the whole of us sit down and wait for hear who a wifey. But you know so here. Wifey just dung in me from the night before. No video. I mean I say wifey want go on, man. We can't treat the people them so, man. The people them sit down and wait for something for watching them, man. Wifey say no video. And me I tell you people, wifey is not somebody where you can disobey, you know. You have to obey your wifey. Wifey is a very strong woman. What me say? Wifey is a very strong woman, and when wifey say none of that is just none of that, you could have tried as you may, because you're going to falter along the way if you like you want to force the issue. So me say, alright, me wait this morning. Wifey still I say the same thing. So me say, what? You know what, leave it alone. But in the evening, you know me, I say, me nah make it day done, you know. And I see like how me hubby your wifey last night, and me hubby her this morning. Me feel like she go relax the pressure upon me now. So me say, alright, me I go try sit. And I saw it at work. You don't know who a wifey? Wifey I sit the way me love more than anybody else. Right next to God. What me say? Me love wifey right next to God. You know who is wifey? Sleep. Me love her right next to God. And last night she said no video. This morning she said no video. I told me hubby her now, me can't hear if you do 2 videos, you know. So people, as me said, you know they do. You know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and remember, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And in the comment section, I start to pin both the 2 channels I am asking you for 10 subscription for. I don't know how it work out, but today is the last day for the present week. Tomorrow the next week start. I don't know how to go on this week, because I said last week it never worked out. Just give them a subscription to me if you have not yet subscribed. Life with Gabby and Chevy. YouTube link, it pin in the comment section. Tamika Douglas also pin in the comment section. Go ahead and give them a subscription. This is the last day for the week. So if you don't subscribe yet, just go over there, go flood out over there and subscribe. Make them have a good week. And the last day, because the new week start tomorrow for that 10 subscription a week that I am asking for. Anyway, people, as me say, when it rain, it pours, you know. Yes, man, when it rain, it pours. Boy, it come like we have a windstorm, yeah, people. Yeah, me I talk about when it rain, it pours. This come like it's a windstorm we have, yeah. Watch all the East Indian tree down there, so it's a rock. No, sir. I can show you where I go on down there, so. Watch out a rock, people. And old boy in the mango tree, I say, you know, the truth said that one is not so big as that. Anyway, people, boy, Chef Noel come out against this woman, yeah. And the last time I hear him come out against her, you know, him coming like him at the male version of Donna. You know, when they come out decent because them have to protect the brand, you know. So, no cure the old serpent, them try to tear down them brand, them smart. Them realize that this is what them want. You have to come out and behave in a bad manner. So them can have the evidence to paint them picture how they want to paint it. So, Chef Noel come out again for the second time. I have hearing him. Yeah, because the last time we did hear about him and we got check it out and the man did rub her good, him never used no wash brush. Although she did that dirty, him never used no wash brush. Him just rub her good, just take him time and use him and rub her and rub her and rub her. Yes man. And the man come do the same thing yeah, so. I didn't even listen out the whole of the life, but I just listen to what I feel alright and comfortable with. So if you don't want, you can go check out him Facebook page, Chef Noel. So I could start it right here so people. I want to listen. This is a proper clean rubbings. No Ray Clark, no Bay Clark, no C Clark, no E Clark, no B Clark, no C Clark. You understand? Yes, no Clark, no Unite. No suck, no lollipop, no Kisco, no inner this here rubbings here. These are just straight alcohol. Alright?
My mother is a peace.
Talk up the wind. So when I listen up, me say me talk like me talk to somebody else. Make a
Chef Noel. But if you talk about your mother who's in Jamaica, the veranda blind, and you paint a picture now. The mother on the veranda, she blind, and she has still bleach. I'm a fussy mother.
Man said tell Satan it never work. That wasn't the adding up people that him put in that part there.
Tina, no call my name for good. We have call my name. We have nothing, baby girl. We have nothing, baby girl. We have nothing. We have nothing. That's all I'm saying. So you say you want to move on, I am moving on. Peace be still. And the wicked shall cease from troubling, and the weary shall be at rest. And that is God promised to us that sometime we have to just be still. Just be still and understand that the thing is.
You see a tune, you know? Robin Taga go on, you know? At the tempo I build. He might build the tempo.
God gone, you know? God got to deal with confusion and noise and baga. He might do that. But you see when you be still and allow God to fight for you, you see when you allow him, and that's why sometimes when people ask me, come on, come here. Because if God go to attack them, it's a different thing, you know? And the Donna, big of yourself, all the work that you have done for the people in your community, all of what you are continuing to do, all of what you are going to do, and everything, continue to move in silence, continue to get your deal, continue to make your pudding, continue to sell, continue to worship, continue to be you, continue to drive your van, take a little break when you're ready, you know, come on live when you take your break, just take a little weekend by yourself, you and God. If you want to carry Joshua with you, carry Joshua with you. No Facebook Live.
She not left him.
Instagram. Take a break, rest, relax, just enjoy yourself. Take some time for yourself. And breathe and relax. We don't need to see, we don't need to hear about it. You're doing well, and if you never do well, you don't know what's going on. Keep doing it. That's all I have to say. Me done with such lady, torn. And remember,
Torn?
what is a torn, people?
Listen, what is a torn, people? No, listen.
Underdeveloped branch.
Can't grow, can't go nowhere.
A branch that tried to get to its moment.
Can't reach nowhere.
But didn't have the strength to stretch out. Hey, lady B, what's up?
That's the meaning of a torn,
so
here.
Becoming a point of stability. Tina Chin, you have become a point of damage. So you're a torn, you're not, you know. So a torn is an underdeveloped branch, which you are. You never come to your point of success, and you could win. You know, you could win in the blogging world. You could win in this world. But as I tell you, and it go back to the Bible, and after the Bible, there's of God or heart.
That's true. Because once your heart dirty, Father God don't like dirty heart people, We can't put the whole of us here with a clean heart and supposed to have a clean heart against one another. Despite at all times we are not going to see eye to eye. We are not going to have the same, we don't call it now, we're not going to make the same decision on anything at all at times. You understand? We're not going to have the same liking. But that not so if you have dirty heart against each other. Keep your heart clean. Despite you have a different opinion from my own, you have a different liking from my own. You don't need to corrupt your heart and dirty your heart against me. Because your opinion is different from my own. And people like them, T-girl them, that's what them do. You understand? And me I say, me not see how people continue to, to feel sorry for people like them, People continue to support people like them, like them not feel like say one of the day they might find themselves in the position where she have people presently, or try to have people presently. Because people like them cannot be tamed. People like T-girl them can't tame, So all I know they on our platform and support her and go on with herself, Sorry, nobody feel like say people like them can be tamed. They are untamed people. And the reason why they are untamed, them see themselves as the only person supposed to be around. Them see themselves as the only person who's supposed to be on top. And if them are run a business, them see themselves as the only person who's supposed to have a business or have that type of business or have a business on top. So people like them can't tame because they will do anything to keep and make that be a reality. So I don't feel like she can't tame.
Come for you tonight. I didn't come for you. Let's address it by your common name on the weekend. So you move on. And there's no way you're going to tell people that we move on from them without saying that, I have done this, which caused this. You were saying, everybody do something. Everybody do something. Everybody do something. And you move on. Because you're innocent and you're this. And you're pure and people see and people respect you. And you cannot say you move on. You cannot say you move on without addressing the elephant in the room. The elephant that causes pain, the elephant that causes trauma, the elephant that causes hurt. You understand?
She said people is not mature enough to apologize. And she's supposed to make apology. And she's not, mature enough to do it. Because the people them should feel like she apologize to, she don't see it fit. Because she don't want to call her footstool. So are you suggesting that this lady is selling front? It is possible. Dancehall, bicycle, dancehall, empty crate, so it's possible. But the thing is, so true you are in foreign and you seem to be a progressive young man in your wares that you're doing, you must fully responsible for whatever your mother do. Your mother who is an adult. Okay, yes. We as a child who want to see the best for our parents and would want our parents to not do certain things after reaching certain age. But the thing is, me see this. You have some of these parents who is up in age that have been doing certain things, what would I call juggling or hustling or what you want to call it. From them yard or them knee. From you plant a coconut tree till it grow and start bear. They have been doing these things. I eat them do for send me and you and she and him to school. So not because we grew up now and have certain things and have certain privilege, we can tell them. Yes, we can tell them. But if them decide not to, I've said this already, there's nothing you can do. Because if you force them to stop, You force them from them comfort and what they would call their livelihood because they like to work for what is theirs. You understand? That's the mindset them have. And if you try to force them from do that, you know it go. You slow down them days. Me I tell you, you are slow down them days. Some will quit, you know. But the one that may decide not to quit, you have to leave them alone. I remember knowing somebody I was close to. She end up have her partner. When me tell her me them not call her name. A popular sound owner in Jamaica and record producer. The man they produce one of Sanchez's first song. Lady in Red, you're dancing with me and nobody else. Yes, man. When you see them, the man in the neck, you remember Mr. T? Yeah, man. I saw gold line the man neck and some cargo big like me and right round. You understand? And fear mother sell right below Big Tree at Orange Street for years. I sell little thread and button and them little something there. And you think a little hawk shark if you stop and tell her if you stop. Would she stop? You must say mad. They must just allow her. You understand? Me have another recent person, them that Jamaica and thing and way and the family take them up a yard, a foreign there. They should take down sick up there. You hear me say? Them have to send her back here. And when them send her back here, they move her from out of the ghetto and care up in the hills. She stay sick up there. I the ghetto she want to come back in. Oh, so I don't know what I do. So when you come out talk about the man, mother, why am the young man they on veranda sell bleach? Something wrong with that? The woman a try her way, she not sit down depend on him. And majority of these people, that's what keep them active. Keep them blood circulating by doing them little thing, keep them brain function, although it is going up in age, because you have them active.
Somebody not have to sell it. So you think say you degrade my mother, you think say you degrade me, you think
yeah man, she that do that though for cut for dry out.
God showed me everything before.
Yeah man, that's it though. She use your mother for try dry out.
God showed me everything before.
So she can't have evidence that says she expose you.
They wanted to draw me out and they can use it against me.
Right.
I go to tourist board and go to this and go to this.
Right.
I was ahead of you because father had already shown.
And she love have this saying. See there? These are the guys, these are the type of people you have in your organization. These people are not reputable persons to have in your organization. That she want to have evidence. Figure right tourist board and send video clippings of you behaving bad. Yes, that's exactly what you want. So I'm glad you realize as a little young man, you know? Yes, man.
I said, Noel, be still.
And I want to come in and phone when people attack our daughter and say, boy, this and say that. But them spread them bed, them line it. Them call long things from them own pitney, you know.
Anytime you come out here after you, I can't give him permission. I can't promise you that. We don't come have self. You understand?
Man, you talk about self, you know. No, you do. My chin come for you and Angus.
God have given permission not to slew you. Anytime it's okay. I saw the video that she did of you, it's okay, where she stuff her mouth with paper and she ridicule you on live. So okay, we see the paper.
Yeah, man, I fear her style at the truth.
I saw the video with 2017. You donated some money to that same lady and she ridiculed you and stuff like that. And I'm just saying because I've known over the years this lady have been problem with people, but I just want her to leave me alone. And most of my Facebook followers, they don't know what's happening. And then when Noel come out and him post or him talk, I hear say, you're a chef, you're a woman business. I have feelings.
You must defend yourself because you're a man. So then stay, sir. Or you must speak the truth because you're a man. I never know a woman alone to speak and speak truth.
When one person give me some things what she said about me, even Keisha, big man want me up to last week, I'm say, yo, Keisha, but people don't even know half of the things when we go through with this lady, half of some things that she talked on her live about me.
Just the same. Some things were probably done talk yesterday leading up to this morning again because it was so much that it seems like Donna have to come again this morning again and talk. Because you don't know, you know. As me say, you know, we can be a sponge, you know. Yeah, man, we can be a sponge. You know, especially we January people. We sup up as much as we can sap up. We just sap up, sap up, sap up, sap up. But at some point in time, the sponge, we are doing the same sapping up and taking away the liquid from the surface. At some point, it is going to be full. And when it's full and you hold it, you're going to see things are running out of it. Why you think? Because it's full. So, we observe as much as we can observe, but at times when it reaches stage, we are gonna come out. And when we come out, most time it not normal, you know. Yeah, man, when you come out, it do more damage than what the person they expect to done to us. Yes, man, it do more damage than what the person they expect to done to us. We do more damage to them because it's true them they behind the wall and them are dodge all long, and people have the feelings as if, okay, this person is this nice and good, decent person, and them now show them the dirty, ugly colors, and you come up with your evidence and can show them dirty colors. You see the same set of people, them would sit down and feel like say them nice and them decent. See them, yeah? Can't believe where them are hear and where them are see, because to all them did have this person who are portray themselves as being this, you know, this nice, decent and simpleton, you know, who don't trouble nobody in this world. Them can't believe. So it do more damage. Probably at the time when you come out, at just in time for them get all a break where them did a look for in a life, and it just mash up the brake line. Not even brake fuel can hold in the reservoir.
If it delete them cause prisoner serve oxtail. Prisoner I'm like oxtail. So me delete the line them like guess what? That make me get angry. You understand? And me just delete them and she can't get to my head. Cause I'm guarded. Me guarded.
And that's what she want to do. Me I tell you straight because she don't like your progress. She don't like nobody for progress. And once you progress and you align with that a certain way, you know it go. And more fight and pressure.
Trust me. Sometimes I tell us I have a problem in the principle. And the principle, people understand the principle behind it. So that's why when people say, oh, Donna forgive Ashanti and Ish. And the problem, you know, how people are the principle behind it. And the because people will talk things. And people who don't understand it, they won't talk things. They want things to hurt you. But you apologize. She apologized and then made them ways and then God was like, oh, if you can't forgive him, you can't hurt him. But he apologized. Did the others apologize? No. It's a principle behind things. And this thing on social media need to stop. It's causing problem and it's costing money, and it's all grown people who are in their 50s, 60s, and big age. They have kids and they have grandkids, and be careful because we fall for you. Wow, when you miss out over your kids and your grandkids, and that's why sometimes some way.
She no matter about kids or grandkids, you know, no see that. You know this world, she matter about for herself alone. Just penetrate her. It's on a certain time when she don't want things to look too bad. Yeah, she run go for grandpicnic like she have grandpicnic staying with her over the weekend and all those stuff. But she not care nothing about picnic or grandpicnic. Now if you're stone man, this woman is all for herself. All for herself.
What me break all them curses. Nothing with my mother or our father do can't take me or my granny. I don't know them. Who them? Can't take me. I feel them sin that master. They have a pure to God about them look at things we don't know about. If you understand, so when you're a torn who is underdeveloped.
Underdeveloped branch. Stagnant, can't move, now reach nowhere.
Come back out here and address her because it won't be nice. And I promise, we never cuss, we never argue.
Strong breeze,
Some people
people,
not alright.
strong wind.
Noel, do you want a lawyer over here? What to say though? So, because I have so much stuff in my phone, and I have a way bigger brand than you. Defamation of character is a big lawsuit. Somebody from let me tell you who called me. They work with the council in New York. They're ready to recommend a lawyer. I mean, I'm all of the things on my phone. All I think on my phone. So that be with discrimination, whether it be defamation or whatever, I have a case. They ask me, they call me. I don't want no money from her.
She don't have none.
But I think because I think she's.
She don't have none.
In prison. And she would have spent 2 or 3. She need more time.
Yes, that's she want. She needs to go back down there.
She need more time. I think she miss her jail friend. She miss the jail food.
Not just her jail friend, cause probably them they come out. She miss having girlfriends down there that no one can recognize that she's doing those stuff, but who is there? Girlfriend she miss.
Like a drama from the prison life. And that's why she watch my page for falls, page or fake page or as the prison lives. She not come. That's sometimes she's a torn. She not become. So even though she was in prison, she never get to fulfill the prison journey because she came up before time. So she need rehabilitation, and then it spring off from people who are successful and who are doing. When one of us up on our Facebook another video, oh, and she humiliate me, and she go to my work them, and say, oh look on this cake, it follow me. The woman tell me follow her Jamaica cake. Remember saying no?
That is another side of her. People always a follow her. She not follow nobody. And the amount of Google product she Google product.
So I print the logo, put on the cake, I'm just do black, green, gold, black. It's Jamaican color. She do want Jamaica 6 is a milestone. People go to the logo for the cake. The one I say me for her cake, and she put on Facebook and show them, look at this. Oh, I thought he was somebody.
She that man.
You try to damage my brand. But you protect your brand. I'm a child,
What brand? She don't have no brand. Brunswick she have. But brand. Brunswick.
And you're promoting a business for 5 years.
You see the brand of them use and brand animal you talk about, because she not have no brand.
When I graduate, I end up go to college and with a college fee 2 years out of the 10 years. I get my mother come to Canada, she have her visa, fly blue. She have her visa. So when you go say, oh, make your mother wear big jacket and foreign and rare. When me grew up, my mother get opportunity to go foreign and she don't want to go on foreign. She say, oh, we're going to make the money and we will come back. My mother come here. And she come America. And me and my mother travel in a pandemic because of COVID and whatever. And she at a certain age, I mean, she mix up on plane and traveling. You understand? So that's why I mean, make she travel. So my mother came here. She come to my graduation and I graduated my hotel and restaurant management degree.
What you have, T girl?
You understand? So,
And I guess this gentleman can show that, you know. Him not just talking the talk, him can walk the walk. Unlike T girl, she can't even walk. She just start learning to stand up. And not even creep, she a creep good yet. And she not have nothing for sure. Say she have this or she have that. More than one little surfing ticket where she get from the Health Ministry of New Jersey. Where we all know what she call her bakery is not her bakery. Because where she carry these people to do the necessary inspection is not the house where we know. She do most of her baking where the washing machine and the all-in-one, all-inclusive are. You understand? It's a little space where she rent, she carry go show. So T girl, we know that. And all them something that people can expose you, you know. Because we sure know if people go to boom and go to the health ministry in New Jersey or whatsoever, and them run your file, the people are gonna know say yes, they really carry them come show them. when a desk over in your house for your toilet there and your bathroom there, your washing machine and everything there right and your kitchen hunk up so like a tent. And that's so you bake. That's all you have to show. You don't have no surf ticket or diploma in no form of college or institution to come and show on social media. None. Because you'd have shown that long time. The way you love show and cockatoo, you'd have shown that long time.
It was at my graduation. She was present. So, you know, if you missed the part, if I'm a page or wherever. So, my mother have her visa. So, now worry about my mother coming to America, coming to Canada, coming to wherever. And not everybody like foreign. Foreign
True.
is very boring. When me go
True.
to work, she go eat up in a
Like
house,
all of me.
right? And do what? Doing what? Watch TV. She come here when she ready. She walk like 1, 2 weeks. She come over, we go mall, we go this so. Where she said, we take picture, she gone again. Mother's Day come, me don't see you post your mother.
True enough.
Saturday you post your father with one old picture.
Come to think of it, a true.
So don't spill your trauma upon people out here. Do not spill your trauma
Your
upon
mother,
people out here.
where you
Do
say
not
have
do
this
it.
luscious and
Don't do
green
it. I'm
place
trying
in
to-
Jamaica, where you talk about and post about what she have. Mother's Day, you know, post her. A true.
Business and the same success that they want.
I want to love post it. Like when I post me streets.
You should be close. You should be talking to me. You should be encouraging me. You know, you're not just going to the one event together. We're teaching you that. Even Kris, we say Kris, I'm at England. But I love to learn some things from Kris. Kris called himself a baker. Kris never call himself a baker. Kris is a cake artist. I baked 20 odd years. And you try to humiliate the man. Bring life on the man. But I love to go to England. I'm going to learn something from Kris. Kris talent is beyond your cake. Me am more cooking than cake. And the pandemic we start cake 2020. People make me do a birthday cake, I'm do a cake there, here and there. I'm just do cake. My style of cake different. My style of cake are more on trend. Or, you know, minimalistic cake. Kris a cake artist. And you respect people that work on them craft. You respect people that work on them craft. So when me Kris call himself baker, Kris not in a cake war, Kris not in a cake war, Kris not in a baker's war. Kris is a cake artist. Me a baker. I can bake 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 cake and I can show me I can bake strawberry, vanilla, and I can do my basic decorating. But you see, let me tell you something, people. So when you're happy for other people, your life will be good. When you're happy for other people, you can't happy for yourself, you can't self-centered, you can't bad mind. You have to be happy for other people and it come right back to you. Keisha says she's a cook. No one him design him back, respect him. Even when we say Kris Vampire, and the truth is, even Kris, to be honest, we have a friend Kris, you know. And that's why the reason why I have a friend him come realize say she and him at war and say, yo, me know you know, crossfire and thing and not so have a friend nobody on the internet, but never comment and feel that since affiliate we go and comment and so but I respect his work, I respect his craft and I don't even if him post on him Brixton cake page that often. But if him supposed to come out and post him whole work them man push Brixton cake page, right, whatever the cake, what a boss man cake. So I'm just watching my lot, you know, and he talk about the mother, and he talk about country, and he talk about this, and I never really, to be honest, I never on the page and hear him really, you know, chat nobody, I never hear him this until somebody trouble him. He talk about him and Kazim and him Brinkle and him this and him that and him. Even him own the world with his audience. I mean, listen, I cut him and go through my gun. I said, Donna live, because I never found out about my chef page. When they open their feed. So me get up on the page and I'm gonna have a chef page, you see it live, you click on it, you watch, you're gone. So what else? You watch, you're gone. I say but you say the pan is a page here, you can't buy a page here because the torn out you want police you. The torn out you want police people, where you go and where you're supposed to go, the torn. Make that torn and I'm just
See, y'all name the torn here. Undeveloped tree branch.
Don't come back out here and call me name. Do not come back out here and call me name. And ask me, tell me, I tell you.
That sound like a warning, not a threat, a warning.
Yo, blood clot.
Remember,
Jonathan are dead. 1 o'clock.
remember, when it rains, it pours. Remember, if you know what that saying they mean, take heed what the man a say. Don't come back out here and call him name. Him not ask him, I tell you. And I don't think this is a threat. This is a warning. Because you don't want to find 2 lawsuits against you for multiple charges too. Alright? Speak my mind, people. If you don't want to catch you all of the live, check out Chef Noel Facebook page. I feel like rain and Jew from last night. Rain and Jew and the breeze, I keep it away. You don't know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. Life is a Mission TV. And remember, in the comment section I have the 2 link that I'm asking you to subscribe to and help them to reach this 1,000. Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy. And people, remember the cake sale come up. Life with Gabby and Chevy cake sale the 3rd of June. And remember, them ask you know, to just make an order by 28, so them know which part them there, how much cake for order. It's only $2,000. And remember, you get free delivery in Kingston, Portmore and St. Catherine. Despite Portmore and St. Catherine, but you know it's 2 different municipalities because it has 2 different mayors. So you know say, oh, but you talk about Portmore and St. Catherine like Portmore and St. Catherine. Right. So Portmore, St. Catherine and Kingston, only $2,000 for a cake. And you get a Malta or a red stripe with it. No more $50 water, and it's the only cake sale you can find in Jamaica. You pay $2,000 for and get free delivery plus a Malta or a red stripe or be a $50 water, and you have to come pick up your cake. And if you forgot and you pay for it, you know you're not get no cake. So support. And if you're there overseas, check my page, check for them channel, and you will see the number, the flyer, everything where you can call or WhatsApp in your order. Details how you can get you to send the money come for support. And if you're not a friend and a family or yard want support, you can just support the thing same way. Where you want to send the cake, you can still support the thing and ask them, say, okay, most of them don't want a name card because they don't do it for no accolade. They don't just a support. The support and send come buy a 1 cake or a 2 cake and say give it to somebody who really want a cake, just like a gift back and can't afford to buy it. You understand? And my people them, although the whole of them are my people, but you don't know if you don't want to reach out to me and I can do it as a little gift back, you know, because you don't know the mountain is right. It's right after the mountain. Oh, whoa. Windstorm, people. Windstorm. Windstorm. So, only just do the do. It's coming like a windstorm kick up a while ago, people. Bless up on yourself and support the cake sale. Life with Gabby and Chevy.